Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to utilize multiple footer menus in WordPress blocksy. Okay, so let's take a look at our footer over here, and you can see we have a menu here, and we have some links and buttons here, but you'll see that this one isn't actually a menu. So first and foremost, let's go ahead to our top toolbar here and click on Customize, and this should take us to the WordPress Customizer. All right, we're in the customizer. Let's scroll down to our footer just so we can see what's up. And we can either click on edit here, or under our general options, let's click on footer. And you can see we have elements, the elements that we can interchange. And you can see that this one is a menu, and I can put that over here. And you can see that it'll show up right there. And this one is actually a widget. So let's click on this and see what's happening here. So we have these hyperlinks here, and we can edit this, of course, right, by hitting enter and then typing it. Let's say products, and then we can put a hyperlink to this, to our products here. But really, it's just going to end up looking like this. And you can change the fonts and stuff, but that's just going to be a list. So one way of making this a bit easier for us is, well, let's remove this. It's going to end up here. And you can see we have footer menu 1, which is here, and footer menu 2 over here. And we can drag and drop that in the place of the widget that we just removed. And you can see there's a whole bunch of stuff there. And we can click on this, and it gives us the customization options for footer menu 2. And you can see it's the same thing for 1. And we can change the spacing, and if it's vertical or horizontal. And you can see there's a lot of stuff here that really shouldn't be there. And we can select a different menu, right? Let's say account. And you can see we have different options here. And we can make more menus on the menu screen. And let's take a quick look at this. And this is in our dashboard. And you can see just the standard backend for making menus. So a while ago, we had the links and the lists, and we can link them to over here, downloads, logout, orders. We can add these to here or make a brand new one, and then just select which one we want to edit. And then likewise, we can select which one we want here. Okay, and then now let's just space them out. Let's change the design. Let's make it a bit bigger. Oh, no, it's a bit too big. All right, that looks good. And then let's change the font color to something more visible, like white or gray or whatever. And hover should be a bit darker. Okay, perfect. And you can add a margin. So on the right side, we might want to add, let's unlink that. Let's add 35 pixels. Okay, and it spaces it out just fine. And we have a bunch of other stuff here if we want to enable or disable this on mobile or desktop. And I'm content with that. So let's click on Publish. And we have multiple menus. And again, you can place these wherever you want. So you can have these side by side or horizontal. It just makes it a bit easier to use than the widget area 2 we had earlier. All right, and we can see the widget area we had here. It's really up to you if you want to have multiple menus or not. It really depends on your application. But this is a great way of doing it. Let's reload our site. And you can see we now have our secondary menu here. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.